How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm hoping you're having a great day today and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back to the channel. Finally, I'm gonna show some love to the 370Z. It's currently Sunday. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and this is what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and install the shift knob, a Mishimoto shift knob. I bought this off of Amazon for $43 or $44, I don't remember. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So let me just back out the car and I'm going to show you guys what we're gonna need. I gotta open the garage because it's not, I don't have a lot of space in here and I don't want to mess up the car. I don't want to mess up the door, but let me just back it out. It should be a simple installation. And I'm also gonna give you guys a review on the 370Z. How do I like it? I don't like it. I love this car. It's so nice, man, to have something nice. Cut the music off for no copyright, you know. The way they got set up the system is kind of dumb. You play a little bit of somebody's famous music and they want to flag you down, and that's, you know what? If you're a famous artist, I hope you're watching this video. What the music industry is doing for you is erasing you out of people's memories, because a lot of people watch videos like this, and when your music doesn't get played, people don't even know about you. So that's what we're heading with this copyright bullcrap. It's not like we're radio stations, you know. It's just like a regular video, man, a regular car repair video. But anyways, you guys think about that. I don't have to tell you what's going on. But I'm gonna change this shift knob. I'm not a fan of the 370 or 350 shift knob. I don't like it, and it's been like that for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and install the Mishimoto shift knob. And you only need like 2 basic tools, and you should be able to install it. As you guys know, I bought this car like 2-3 months ago now, and it's stock. It's all stock besides the radio. And every time I purchase a car, I always want to buy it stock as much as possible, because then I know the buyer, the seller, then I know the seller wasn't into drifting and none of that bull crap. If you buy a car from a drifter, most likely the car is gonna beat up to the wall up, and you're gonna have to chase down all the repairs after him, because he did a lot of modifications and some of the parts are gonna be worn out. And on this case, you know, this guy was not a drifter. He was a college student and he wanted to get out of the car because the insurance was too high, and the dad or the mom didn't want to give him no more money, and he was just struggling. So I came to the rescue and I bought the car off of him. But it's a really clean 370Z, black on black. That's what I was looking for. In another video, I'm gonna talk about the downfalls of this car and what I don't like about it. However, you know, they did a pretty good job on renewing the car. But let me roll the window down. 1 hour later. Well, I'm waiting for this guy I'm supposed to go meet up today. It's 11:51. I'm gonna go get some wheels for the 370C. It's nothing that I really want, but it's something different than other wheels I have seen on other 370Cs. Remember, my content is always trying to make the car a little bit different than other cars. I'm not gonna copycat everybody and put the same wheels, same wing, same body kit. I just don't do that. And yeah, but until then, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. All right, I'm out. Peace.